Introducing click the WFPL Flipster Collection button. It will ask you to log in with your library card number. When you're inside the library, it does not require a login. This is a list of our latest issues, and here is a list of all of our magazines. You can simply click View All, and it will show all of our magazines. Right now it's sorted by relevance, but you can choose to sort by title. Here's an alphabetical list of all of our titles. Once you see a title that you'd like to read, click Read this issue. The magazine will open in your web browser. You can also see all issues simply by clicking on All Issues. You can see the previous month. You can look at page view. Or you can browse through the magazine. Notice how articles are being highlighted in yellow. This is a link. If you click, it will take you straight to page 24, where the article is. You can page through the article with the arrow buttons. You can also print. So if you wanted to print the page that said New Recruits, you could click on Print. It would allow you to print pages in view or all pages. This varies depending on the title that you've chosen. Let's select Print Pages in View. And there you go. The 2 pages will be sent to the printer. Or you could save it as a PDF for later. Returning to the magazine, under All Issues, you'll also see the table of contents. You can scroll through the table of contents to navigate. You can also go through the page view. In order to see the text better, use the zoom function. If you're on a tablet or a trackpad, you can use the pinch to zoom, or just use the zoom options in the right column. This should make it easier to read. If you need to zoom out, click the minus button. Or simply go to the next page. To return to the full title list, select the previous tab. You can search for titles in the search box here. So I can search for Martha Stewart. And there's Martha Stewart Living. If you click on Flipster, you'll be taken to the landing page. On the left, you'll see categories. If you select a category, you'll see the magazine titles that fit that category. So for instance, under News and Politics, you'll see The Atlantic, National Geographic, Time, and The Week. Using Flipster online is fairly straightforward. You do not need to worry about checkout limits or loan periods. Simply click on an issue and start reading. The magazine opens in a new tab, so you can keep the tab open if you'd like to keep your access to that issue. And you can go back to Flipster to browse some more. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to Flipster. Now let's take a look at the Flipster app. We're going to take a look at the free Flipster app. To get started, click the Get Started button. Here you can enter your library name, postal code, city or state. I'm going to go with the postal code for the Watertown Free Public Library. When you see your library listed, click Login and use your patron ID, which is your library card number. Here you'll see a list of all of the magazines that are available. Depending on the title, magazines check out for a week, 2 days, or unlimited. You will be notified of your loan period when you check out. This view shows all of the magazines that are the most recent. Clicking categories in the upper left corner, you can narrow down by subject. Clicking on a title allows you to see the information page, shows you back issues, and it's where you'll be able to download the issue you want. Click on Read to read your newly downloaded magazine. The front cover will show links highlighted in yellow, or you can flip through the screen like you would a regular print magazine. The icon in the top left corner will take you to full screen mode. To get out of it, simply tap the same icon. Up here you can select Text View. This will remove all of the images from the article and allow you to scroll instead of going page by page. The menu button in the upper right corner is your table of contents. You can scroll through it and skip to different articles. To zoom, you can use the pinch to zoom gesture. To zoom out, use the close pinch gesture. Let's explore another category by clicking the Categories menu in the top left corner. Let's take a look at entertainment. Using the table of contents, I can hop to the article on enslaved. Now that I've read about it, I've decided that I want to add a bookmark. So I click the bookmark icon and then type into the Create a Bookmark field by creating a bookmark name. You can see that they give you a few suggestions, but I'm going to write documentary to watch. Hit return, and then save. My shelf will show me all of the titles that I have checked out and how long I have before they get returned. You'll also see a trash icon, which would allow me to return the titles early. Explore is set to most recently published. Change that by clicking the Sort button next to all magazines and choose A to Z, or Z to A. I hope you enjoy getting to know the library's Flipster app.